Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. If you've got questions about flood insurance, flood education, flood zone changes, elevation certificates, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can also check out our daily flood education videos on our YouTube channel. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and
Today we're here on the water, and we're also here with a commercial building, and we're talking about the standard flood insurance policy. Today we're briefly talking about some of the different forms. You see, when it comes to a standard flood insurance policy, there's one policy, but there's about 3 different forms. Now those 3 forms include the dwelling form, the general form, the residential condo building association form. You know, all these forms are used in different situations. You know, there's things that make these forms different, like the amount of insurance that pays out, the coverages available, some different things like that, provisions, exclusions. So today we're going to talk about, first of all, what is a dwelling form? For what buildings? What is a general form? And what is the residential condo building form? On the dwelling form, this is the type of form that's used for 1 to 4 family homes. These are generally used for your primary residence. And then there is that single owner condo unit policy that is used for the dwelling form. The general form covers non-residential buildings. We're talking about buildings like this one right here, and other residential buildings maybe where they're not used for 75% residential on that general form. The residential building association policy form is used for residential condo associations. You see, actually what we're standing right here is with a condo that's on the water. 75% of this condo is used for residential, so it falls under that residential condo building association form. So these are the 3 forms that are used with a standard flood insurance policy. Now what we hear is, hey, are these the same forms that are used with private flood insurance? One of the big things and really requirements with private flood insurance is for many banks to accept it is it has to mirror the National Flood Insurance Program, and many times this means the forms that are used. So when you're looking through that private flood insurance policy, look for those forms. Look for the dwelling form, look for the general form, or even that RCBAP form to see how the coverages are going to range, how the amount of insurance is going to range, provisions, exclusions. These are all really important things to understand when you're looking at these different forms to understand where you fit. So if you've got questions about these forms, what are your flood insurance options? Click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.